Okay, here's our first video from 21 Car Productions. The topic today is rear cradle exchange on the S550 race car. Of course, it's the 21 car. Sorry I didn't start the video prior to removing the assembly, but we'll cover a lot of the things when we do the reassembly video. Right now we dropped everything out from under the car, disconnected the differential cooler, capped off those lines, wiring harnesses that pick up the ride height sensors, as well as the vent tube that goes to the back of the differential. As you can see, it's quite dirty under here, so I'm going to do some cleaning before we do the reinstallation. I hope everybody enjoys it. We disconnected the shock absorbers. We do have to transfer the shock brackets to the new lower control arm assembly. Removed the brake assemblies, hung them up securely up, wire zip tied them up to the shock mounting brackets. And that's basically it. It's not that complicated. We do use this hydraulic lifting table, which raises up approximately 35 inches. Had to disconnect the drive shaft, have that supported with a strap, and of course remove the exhaust to get it out of the way. So that's part one of this little segment, and I'm gonna get to cleaning and we'll pick it up from there. Okay, so we started some cleanup here. I saturated everything right now with the Simple Green. I use basically these two products. Simple Green, which is mixed 1 part Simple Green concentrate to 3 parts water. And then the SD20 all-purpose foaming degreaser, which is really good. Gets on there, it stays on there, digs in, and makes it easy to wipe off the dirt. So, once again, just spraying down the dirty parts and letting it soak in, get the grease loose, and we'll get this stuff cleaned up. You notice we get a lot of buildup of track rubber from the tires. Gets in the fenders, we gotta get in there every once in a while, pull that stuff out, even in the holes in the frame, etc. But all in all, not too bad, considering this has never been out and cleaned, and this car has done almost 15,000 track miles, so it's due. It's due for a little bit of a cleanup. All right, we'll proceed later with the reinstallation videos coming up soon. Thanks. Okay, while doing a cleanup, I looked at these top spring pockets, and since we run full coilovers, I think we're going to remove these. It looks like there's about 3 spot welds on each side, and we're going to remove these. We'll weigh these, and we're going to get a little weight savings on the 21 car. I mean, it's in the rear, it's down low, it's not really that critical, but any weight you get out of a race car is good weight. So I'm gonna get my drill and my spot weld cutter, and we're gonna go at that, and I'll take a couple progress shots. Great, thanks. Okay, so we marked and drilled this side, and we chiseled it loose a bit. And now on this side, you see the marks there, centers of the 3 spot welds. We're gonna give that a drill and see if we can pop this thing loose. Okay, first one's off, we have success. You can see where we drilled the spot welds, but we didn't drill through the frame. Little wire brush cleanup, and we'll get a little primer on there. Here's the actual hat. You see where that was welded on in those places. And we're gonna take it over to the scale, we'll get a weight on it. Multiply by 2, and then we'll know what our weight savings is. So it looks like it's 0.7 pounds, so I'm going to take 1.4 pounds off the car. Is it worth 20 minutes aside with the drill? I don't know, that's up to you, but what I would recommend is that you definitely use a spot weld cutter, and this job is most likely only be able to be done when the cradle is out. All right, we'll follow up with the rest soon.